Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. American Airlines unluckiest Boeing 787 in early 2025. An American Airlines Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, registered as N819AN, experienced a series of operational challenges that earned it the reputation of being the airline's unluckiest aircraft. Over a span of 25 days, this Dreamliner was involved in 4 separate diversions, leading to significant maintenance time and operational disruptions. The first incident occurred on January 7, 2025, when Flight AL-113, operating from Amsterdam Schiphol Airport to Philadelphia International Airport, was forced to return to Amsterdam due to technical issues. The nature of the technical problem was not disclosed, but the aircraft remained grounded for over 2 weeks, undergoing extensive inspections and repairs. This prolonged downtime raised concerns about the aircraft's reliability and operational readiness. After being cleared for service, N819AN faced another setback on January 29, 2025. While operating Flight AL-101 from London Heathrow to New York's JFK Airport, the aircraft experienced an in-flight mechanical issue that necessitated a diversion to Shannon Airport in Ireland. Passengers were accommodated, and the aircraft underwent further maintenance to address the problem. This second diversion within a month added to the aircraft's troubled history. The third incident took place on February 10, 2025, during Flight AL-73 from Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport to Tokyo Narita. Mid-flight, the crew detected a potential issue with one of the engines, prompting a precautionary diversion to Anchorage, Alaska. Passengers were rebooked on alternative flights, and N819AN was subjected to another round of maintenance checks. The recurrence of such issues raised questions about the aircraft's mechanical reliability. The final incident in this series occurred on February 15, 2025, when N819AN was operating Flight AA-247 from Miami to Sao Paulo. Shortly after takeoff, the aircraft experienced a hydraulic system malfunction, leading to a return to Miami International Airport. The flight was subsequently canceled, and passengers faced significant delays. This fourth diversion in less than a month underscored the persistent challenges associated with this particular aircraft. In total, N819AN spent 19 out of 25 days grounded due to these incidents, significantly impacting American Airlines' operational schedule and passenger experience. The airline's maintenance teams conducted thorough inspections and repairs after each event, yet the repeated issues with the same aircraft prompted discussions about its future serviceability. Aviation analysts speculated on whether the aircraft might require more extensive overhauls or even a temporary withdrawal from service to ensure passenger safety and operational reliability. These incidents highlight the complexities and challenges of maintaining modern, technologically advanced aircraft like the Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. While such events are statistically rare, the clustering of multiple issues in a short time frame with a single aircraft is unusual and concerning. American Airlines has stated that they are committed to resolving the mechanical problems associated with N819AN and ensuring that all their aircraft meet the highest safety and performance standards. As of late February 2025, N819AN remains under close observation, with additional maintenance protocols implemented to prevent future incidents. The airline continues to monitor the situation closely, aiming to restore confidence in this aircraft's operational reliability. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.